How's it going, everybody? I just got the new gravel train set up in the mail. It's got a Kenworth T800 with East Genesis dump trailers. The first trailer's 31 foot, 5-axle, and the pup's 20 foot with a spread axle tandem. Start off on the truck. It's got a chrome bumper, chrome grille. Got a visor with marker lights, chrome breathers, turn signal on the front fender. It's got turnout stacks with muffler. Then the heat shield there's got Kenworth in it. There's the def tank in front of the fuel tank. The hood opens, got a Packer motor in there. Go around the back, coffin sleeper, a little short coffin sleeper. I don't remember what size it was, 36 or 38 or something. Got a pogo stick with airlines, stainless deck plate, stainless double fenders. Go to the front of the trailer, it's got the entrance door, some little safety decals, East logo, some little mud flaps in the front of the trailer. Go around the side, it's got Genesis decal, American flag, East logo. It's got the DOT striping, marker lights, stickers. Then you look down, the frame's painted blue to match. The landing gear's blue too. It's got mud flaps. The tailgate's got a coal chute. Then the dolly is painted blue to match, stainless fenders. Then the pup's pretty much all the same as the first trailer, is shorter. It's got the entrance in the front. Decals, marker lights, DOT striping. Tailgate's all the same. Yeah, it's a pretty cool setup. I'm from Illinois, so we don't have nothing like that down here. They're pretty strict with their weight limits. Can't buy permits or nothing like you can do up there. So this is something completely different than what I see every day. They do dump. I was setting my phone down here. There we go. That's what they look like when the trailers are dumping. And the tarps, they do open. You can roll them up and everything. They're kind of a pain to roll up, take some time, so I won't do it for the video, but you can roll them up. Well, that's that. Thanks for watching, guys.